Hey friends, this is Atif of your Val and welcome to the new update on XLM. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that recently XLM has broken out another falling wedge pattern on a 1 hour time frame chart. And this was my last video that I shared a few hours ago with you. And now if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout from this falling wedge pattern, the price line is still moving here sideways. And by the way, if I place a trend line here, then you can see that here we have found a short-term resistance approximately at 53.1 cents. That was previously working at the resistance here and resistance here for a few hours. And again, it is breaking at it. Resistance after the breakout, the price and it's rejected. And here we have also a quite long-term support, by the way. Here we have at 44 cents. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 44 cents has been previously working as a very strong resistance here, resistance here, and now it can work as a strong and long-term support for the price line. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern that is happened here on the 7-day time frame chart. And I would also like to show you once again this very long-term trade signal for Stellar that I shared back on 29th of May 2022 with my members. And that was a very big harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern. And now this move has finally produced more than 100% rally. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most a quite long-term trade signal for Stellar that I shared on 29th of May 2024 with my members. And that was a very, very big harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that Stellar formed on a monthly time frame chart with US dollar pair. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that finally the price then geared up from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. So far, it has produced more than 400%, very, very big pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now, let's move to the live chart of Stellar. And here on a 1 hour time frame chart, previously I was showing you this falling wedge pattern, and I was telling you that now the movement is getting squeezed and the price line is testing the resistance more than the support. That is a quite clear signal that eventually we can break out the resistance rather than breaking down the support. And you can see that it was also testing the resistance more than the support. That was another indication that the price line can break out the resistance of the wedge. And now, after the breakout, we have found a short-term resistance here at 53.1 cents. That was previously breaking as a resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, and again it worked as a resistance. And I'm expecting that as soon as the price and breaks out this short-term resistance of 53.16 cents, then imminently it can hit the target for the breakout from this wedge. And the target for the breakout from this wedge is, by the way, here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 63 or 64 cents. By the way, if you are trading this breakout from this wedge, then you can also set your stop loss below this recent swing low point before the falling before breaking out this falling wedge pattern. By the way, that recent swing low point is here, approximately at 40 cents. But before that, we have a quite long-term support here at 44 cents as well. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 44 cents had been previously breaking at a very strong resistance here back in the month of October to November 2021. And before that, from the month of August 2021 to September 2021, it had been breaking at a very, very strong resistance. And now, again, it can work as a support after this breakout. It can work as a support, a long-term support for the price line of Stellar. Now, on this 7-day time frame chart, you can see that Stellar has already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And in my so many previous videos, I've been telling you that after the breakout, we can expect a target, the technical target for this breakout here at the top of the wedge. And you can see that now we are finally about to hit that target. And that target is somewhere here between 80 cents to $1. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.